G'day guys, it's Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're doing a review on Aussie Mate by Jules. Now she does t-shirts, stubby coolers and whatnot. She's a local lady, so support local businesses guys, so we're just going to open up, show you guys what's inside and just give a review. Alright, so we'll just open her up. Like so, come inside here. As you guys can see, there's the shirt there like so. We got her business cards here, which I'm going to try and hand out and help her out a bit. So there you go guys, just have a quick look at that. I'll put a link down below, the business and stuff, and yeah guys, buy the shirts. So this one here cost me 45 bucks, including shipping, and it's all nicely sealed. And she's got her own little card in there. That'll be my personal card. Now we'll just open up and give it a go. Have a bit of a look. Yeah, open her up. It's all beautifully, nicely folded. Now, oh, that looks quite nice. The printer's definitely on there very well. Yes, it definitely looks good quality. Doesn't look like cheap rubbish. Just checking the buttons here. As you can see, yeah, it's a nice in size. It's sun resistant one, 30%. Yeah, here's the back, like so. It's definitely a tough material. All the stitching looks good. There's nothing out of place. It all looks fine and dandy, guys. So there it is, guys. That's Aussie Mate by Jules. The shirt definitely feels good. It's exactly like as she said in the products below. Yeah, so just look, guys, support local businesses because I know what it's like being even a YouTuber. It's hard starting out, boys. So just help her out, guys, and make sure you say that Donny sent you. As you can see, it's a 30% UV protection, stubby coolers, everything like that. She does everything. Check out the site, guys. It looks like a great product. It's my first time buying it. I'm no attachment with her. This is just an honest review saying this shirt, yeah, it's the real deal. It's nice. It's genuine. I can't see any complaints or anything like that. Yeah. So as again, guys, it was $45. That was including postage. She was very easy, quick to deal with. She's got FPOS. So yeah, get on board, guys. Help her out. Help Donny out, and see you on the next one.